All right, guys, I hope this lesson has been going well. Just kind of reviewing all about polygons and learning a few new things. Let's check the answers. Should already have them done. Number 1 was 44. Number 2, 11.4. Number 3, 75. Number 4, 19. Number 5, $4,400. Number 6, 14. Number 7, 10. Number 8, 13.5. Number 9, 8. Number 10, 36. Number 11, 54. Number 12, 45.5. Number 13, 3. 14, 104. And 15, $351. So if I went through too fast, remember you can always rewind or replay this video. And if you got them all right, then I think you're probably ready to go ahead and move on to the quiz. Fast forward to any that you need help with, or watch them all if you just want to make sure that you understand. Okay, so from the top, perimeter is the distance around. So you need to add up all the sides. Now, I noticed that if I could push this part up here, it would be the same as the bottom. So that's 2 14s or 28. And then if I could push this part over here, it would be an 8 on the left and an 8 on the right, or 16. And that's where I get the answer of 44 centimeters. Number 2, top and bottom are both 3.2 for a total of 6.4. And the left and the right are both 2.5 for a total of 5. 11.4 centimeters. 3, you had to remember regular means all the sides are equal, and since it's a pentagon, it has 5 sides, and if they're each 15, you have a perimeter of 75 inches. So number 4, a little bit different because it's the grid, much like you did in 4th grade. You can count up all around. You can do the whole trick where this pushes out, but don't forget you're going to have this extra piece, and then you can put that piece up there. All right, I'm just going to go around counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, I think I put the wrong answer on my answer sheet. Let's go back and check that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I sure did. Hopefully you caught that. On number 4, the answer was 20. Everybody should be watching the video at least until this point, because you should have got that correct, even though I got it wrong. Okay, moving on, number 5. If the farmer puts the fence just around, he has 200 and 200, or 400 on the left and the right, 300 and 300, or 600. 1,000 is what is needed, but that's not the answer. Remember, we're figuring out the cost by the way that says per linear foot. And if it's $4.40, and you may just enter that into the calculator, and you get $4,400. Number 6, area. Well, this rectangular part is 4, 8, 12 little squares. These two put together for 1, and these two put together for 1. So you have a total of 14 square units. Now number 7, you really can't tell these are not half triangles, so you can do the whole rectangle and divide it by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 20, but you don't have a rectangle, you have a triangle, so divide it by 2, and your area is 10. Number 8, parallelogram is base times height. Multiply that out and you should get 13.5. Triangle is base times height divided by 2, or 8. All right, number 10, this is a little different than the ones you did on your homeworks. On the homework, I believe you were given the area of the triangle, and you had to double it to find the rectangle. Well, in this case, you're given the rectangle, but you have to half it to get the triangle. So the answer is 36. Number 11 is a triangle, base times height divided by 2. You should get 54. Trapezoid, one of the first lessons, hopefully you remember that formula, is 1/2 of the height and then the bases added together. So 1/2 of 7, and then the bases are 3 and 10, or 13. So I would do 7 times 13, which is 91, and then simply divide that by 2, and you get 43.5. This word should say area. What is the area of the rectangle? Length times width, or base times height, for an area of 3. 14, you have a rectangle, which is 4 times 16, or 64. But then you have a triangle, which is 16 times 5 divided by 2. That's 40. So the combined area is 104. And last but not least, this room needs carpet, 12 by 9. 12 times 9 is 108 square feet of carpet that's necessary. Multiply that on the calculator by $3.25 per square foot, and that's where you get the answer of $351. Okay, go back and do any that you need help on. Call me, get your questions answered before you attempt the quiz. Thank you. Have a great day.